mathematics easier with Sir Albert. So today we are just looking at a computer where we are looking at starting or trying to start this project. So we have the oval shape, which is look like a 0 or an egg, which is used for starting the program or ending the program or beginning the program. Then we have got this shape which is called a parallelogram. So a parallelogram is used for input, output, displaying or printing something. Then we also have a diamond or a rhombus, which is the decision box. It comes with questions, and the question you are expecting when you have a question, it means that it comes with two answers which can be yes or no. Then the same parallelogram. Then we also have another one which is a rectangle. Now a rectangle, it's used for calculation now. That's where now you write the formulas. Then displaying the parallelogram, another oval shape we use it for. But our interest or our focus for today, we want now to write a pseudocode from a flowchart to a pseudocode. So first step, before you start writing a pseudocode, you check now these three words: is, yes, and no. So we have is, yes, and no. Okay. So always take note of these three words. Write a pseudocode corresponding to this flowchart program. So we identify these three words: is, yes, no. So is changes to if. Then yes changes to then no changes to else. You have to master these three words before you write the pseudocode. So what is a pseudocode? What is all about pseudocode? So when we are talking about a pseudocode, it means that it's just the combination of what? The spoken language which we use to speak the same English and the computer language. So it's just a combination of two languages, the spoken language and the computer language. And always, when you are writing a pseudocode, you have to indent. So let's write the pseudocode. So the first part there we have the oval shape, which is start. So we start as in start. Then we have the parallelogram. So the parallelogram there, they are saying that enter X. Then let's come now to the rhombus. We are following the arrows. So the first word in the rhombus there is what? Is. So is changes to what? If. So we change if X is less than 0. That is the question now. Now let's follow the arrow now. What is follows there next? Yes. So yes, we are saying it changes to what? Then. So now you say then. What is inside the parallelogram? You just copy it the way it is. Print error X must be positive. Okay? Then we go back to the arrows. What follows next? No. So now we are saying it changes to what? Else. So now you say else. So the radius is equal to, you write the formula there, cos x. Then, before you display, you are almost now ending the program. So before you display, you write what? End if. So end if, then display r, which is the radius. Then stop. So now stop, you make sure that it is the same line with start. So you write now stop there. That's how we write a pseudocode. So if you have observed the way I'm writing the words, they are coming like, or they are forming a letter C. That is what we call indenting. Welcome to Make Mathematics Easier with Sir Albert.